Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli naze inohlonze kusihlanje.
Ngothando nje nomusa sizomphinda sizobreacha because bela siphe 1 month bakafuna silungise and asiyehlisele uke sasebenza thina.
Izakhamuzi abeyingeneme iphinde zachitha olunye usuku ezikhungweni zakwa-Eskom ifuna usizo njengoba ususondela umnqamulajuqu wangesonto ukubhalisa izigubhu zogesi.
ANC has noted and welcomed the decision by the National Disciplinary Committee of Appeal to uphold the finding by the National Disciplinary Committee to expel Mr. Jacob Zuma from the ANC.
I-ANC isiqinisekisile ukuxoshwa kukalowo abengumengameli waleli qembu uJacob Zuma ngemva kokuthi ikomiti lezokudluliswa kwamacala ngaphakathi eqenjini livumelene nesinqumo saphambilini sokumkhomba indlela uZuma. Nina bamanzi aphuma imbotsheni zomtshezi isiguqu esifulele ngamahlamvu asendonda kusuka siyakhuleka nina bizinyane lengezengeze. Inkampani ehlinzeka ngogesi kulelizwe i-Eskom ithi inethemba lokuthi kuzoshaya isonto isisiphungulile isibalo sezakhamuzi ezidinga ukubhalisa kabusha inombolo zezigubhu zogesi. Izakhamuzi eyingeneme iqhubekile nokugcwala ezikhungweni zakwa-Eskom zifuna usizo njengoba ususemome umnqamulajuqu wangesonto okubhalisa izigubhu zogesi.
Inkampani ehlinzeka ngogesi i-Eskom ithi inethemba lokuthi kuzoshaya isonto esisikhatholile isibalo sabantu abazobhalisela izigubhu zogesi. Kwazise le nkampani isisebenza amahora athe xaxa okuhlangabezana nomnqamulajuqu.
Make a huge difference. I mean, I can tell you yesterday we went for Sloras. We finished at about 10:30 in the evening. So, that's volumes that you're pushing during that time. And also, we're still here, we're still trying to push, and also throughout the other pop-up offices and also in our hubs.
Yize kunjalo ke ezinye izakhamuzi zikhala ngokuthi azange zitshelwe ngendlela efanele malungana nalolu hlelo futhi zixwayisa ngokuthi zingase zixhume ugesi ngokungemthetho uma zingalutholi usizo.
Preacher ke mayisidimela ngothando nje nomusa sizopreacha because bela siphe 1 month bakafuna silungise and asiyehlisele uke sasebenza thina beka abantu abangakanani asebenzi.
Understand baba siyenze ibuwathwathi mhlawumbe you understand why because of asisebenzi asinamali masizela ko Eskom sizokhala futhi khona abantu abangakwazi nokudla umuntu sangayicabanga lento loyo.
Icacisile ke ukuthi akuna wonke amakhasimende adinga ukuya ezikhungweni ukuze abhalise.
This is something that customers can do themselves. They don't need to come to our offices. They need to buy electricity, and when they've bought electricity, they get the key change tokens, which is those 20-digit numbers that we are saying that they need to load on their meters, and then they are able to recode the meters. It does not require them. The last batch that we're dealing with in these past 2 weeks is customers who have chosen not to buy electricity and recode their meters.
Umbiko usihle Dlamini wezindaba ze-SABC.
Mbukeli njengoba sekusela amahora ngaphansi kwanga-48 ushaya umnqamulajuqu ukuthi ingasebenzile izigubhu ezindala e-Eskom. Izakhamuzi zasenqeleni eMthatha ifuna i-Eskom yelule isikhathi salolu hlelo ikhala ngokuthi zona zizwe emasontweni amabili edlule ngalokho.
Abahlali basemqwanqweni bayazi ngqo ukuba ngecawa iza kube ilusuku lokugqibela. Kodwa uninzi belumaxhaphethu yimisebenzi yasekhaya namhlanje. Ukanti logama abanye sele bezihlaziyile inombolo zabo zombane bathi basenengxaki yokufaka umbane ezibhokisini.
Sele ke ngoku uthengile lo mbane islip sihleli pha. Kube kodwa into bana xa uphinde uyothenga umbane lithi ikhadi lika Eskom wethu esimthandayo alithengi makubuye uEskom asixelele uba la makhadi wasinika wona sithenga ngawo umbane athene engathengi ngoku
Ndiwanike amanani amanizi ayi-20 kodwa sele kunjalo awungeni umbane. Sincede Eskom siyafa siyamoshakala zii-TV zethu azidlali abantu abaxakana ukubukela i-TV sisengxakini nje Eskom sincede.
Abanye abahlali bayibona yonke lento njengokunyashwa kwamalungelo abo.
Ekugqibeleni lento ayiziswa ukuthi thina lutsha iziswa koomama nootata bethu. so ndiyibone ngathi mina inako ukungabikho right, inako ukunyasha namalungelo wabo ngoba ugqibeleni malelungelo loba balayite.
Ukanti abanye bathi bebengazi kwa ukuba kufuneka behlaziye inombolo zabo zombane. Kungoku nje bathi u-Eskom makabongezele ixesha. NgoLwesithathu umphathiswa wombane namandla uJosientu Ramokgopa uthe akukho kwantsuku ziza kongezelelwa apha. Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingufundiswa Mhlekude emqwanqweni engqeleni.
Lo wayengumengameli we-ANC uJacob Zuma osewumholi we-MK Party useqoshiwe ngokugcwele ku-ANC. Lokhu kungemuva kokuthi ikomiti elibhekele ukuqondisa igwegwe kuleli qembu limthole necala njengoba agunyaza waphinde waba ingxenye yeqembu i-MK ngoZibandlela wangonyaka owedlule.
Noted and welcomed the decision by the National Disciplinary Committee of Appeal to uphold the finding by the National Disciplinary Committee to expel Mr. Jacob Zuma from the ANC. As a former president of the ANC, Mr. Zuma was expected to embody the highest standards of disciplined leadership and advanced cadres who serve as guides and inspiration for all members of our movement and society. Instead, his actions have undermined the unity and cohesion of the movement at a time when it is critical to consolidate and push forward with organizational renewal and confront the pressing challenges facing South Africa. This severe breach of our organizational foundation necessitated his expulsion to safeguard the ANC's integrity and ensure that the unity of the organization remains in form and in content.
Sivaliwe sinye seyiphaza Soweto kulandela ukugula kwengane eziyaphuthunyiswa esibhedlela emva kokuthenga ukudla kuso lesiphaza. Sikhalelwa amasongo kasigonyela isisebenzi esitholakala kuso lesiphaza kanti umnikazi waso ubengakatholakala. Kusenjalo lengane ehanjiswa esibhedlela kubiko ukuthi isesimweni esibucayi.
I spoke to subs and subs indicated that they have taken that employee into custody, and what they are going to do, that employee will then appear on Monday, and then they took away the keys of the shop.
Ikhulu zomkhandlu igoli zinquma ukuhambela Soweto njengoba umphakathi buvale esinye seyiphaza okukholakala ukuthi sithengisele ingane ukudla yabisi gula ehanjiswa esibhedlela. Isisebenzi saso lesiphaza sikhalelwa amasongo kasigonyela kanti ngenkathi obhekele zokuthuthukiswa komnotho eGoli ebuza ukuthi uphi umnikazi waso isiphaza ube esethi.
Quite interesting, he just said that he's on freeway somewhere driving from, is it Mall of Africa? Yes, he said Mall of Africa. He's driving from Mall of Africa, and you know, everyone is saying, but this person is not telling the truth. We tried communicating with him earlier on, and he indicated that he was in Mayfair. Now he has changed the story. He says that he's somewhere driving from Mall of Africa.
Obhekele zokuthuthukiswa komnotho eGoli unxusa bakwaZidlodlo ukuthi bengaphela amandla ekulusaneni nalengqinamba. Kusenjalo ikhansela kuwa28 liqinisekise ukuthi litsheliwe ngokugula kwengane emva kokuthenga esiphaza.
I received a call from community members to say that there is a child that collapsed.
Umama walengane uqinisekise ukuthi sesibhedlela namanje kanti sibucayi isimo sayo ngokusho kwalowo obhekele zokuthuthukiswa komnotho eGoli. Silindo kuhle ngidi eindabeni ze-SABC.
Qalile namhlanje isigaba sesibili sohlelo lokutakula abamba ngokungemthetho abasemathunjini omhlaba emayini eStilfontein esifundazweni eNorthwest.
Isigaba sokuqala siqale ngoLwesithathu lapho ogandaganda bebekhuculula yonke indawo. Namhlanje ke kuqale isigaba sesibili sokuzama ukutakula abavaleleke emathunjini omhlaba nalapho bekufaka khona amakhamera. uMishek Mbangula weMakhuwa uthi bakhathazekile njengoba bengakwazi ukubahambisela ukudla namanzi njengoba bagcina ukudla ngomgqibelo.
We're not allowed to take food and give it to the people, even water. So we see this as a very crucial issue.
Uthi imndeni ikhathazekile ngokuthi ayazi ukuthi yophinde ibone abathandiweyo.
Families are really concerned to say, are we still going to see our husband? Are we still going to see our kids?
Umzukisi Jemwe Sanko uthi lokhu kubambezeleka kuzodala ukuthi kutakulwe abanye asebeshonile.
I-delay le yabo abayenze ngabomu ndingaqinisekisa ngoku ndoba izawulidela kweminye imizimba engaphakathi yabantu abaswelekileyo.
Imndeni ke ekhungathekile icela usizo kuhulumeni.
Abantwana bami abayi2, omunye una 25, omunye una 22. Basemgodini. So ngiyacela igovernment ukuthi ingisize baphume labantwana. Kunombuzo engeke ngibuze wona ukuthi mangabe mina ngidla bona badla ini, mangabe bafile abaskiphele bona ngizokwamukela enye nenye into.
Isigaba ke sesithathu sizoqala ngomsombuluko.
Mbukile sathi qoyitolo mangabe sibuya sizokuphathela udaba oluthini.
We will continue to do everything we must do to defend our citizens and defend our state against Iran's axis of terror.
Undunankulu waka-Israel uBenjamin Netanyahu uthi akumethu sina kancane ukukhishwa kwencwadi yenkantolo yamazwe omhlaba ye-ICC egunyaza ukuboshwa kwakhe. Sikubingelele sikwamukele imbukeli mongabasanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi izakhamuzi eyineme iphinde zachitha olunye usuku ezikhungweni zakwa-Eskom ifuna usizo njengoba usondela unqamula juqu wangesonto ukubhalisa igubhu zogesi. Mbukela sikukhumbuzeke ukuthi lezi ndaba oyibukayo njengamanje zikhona ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus. Wena kumele ukwenze ngena kuzo uyicinga ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzoyithola njengoba zinjalo. Ezinye izakhamuzi zaseBloemfontein eKimberley solukungabi nolwazi olwenele njengembangela yokwehluleka kwazo ukuthobela umyalelo we-Eskom wokubhalisa kabusha lezi igubhu zogesi eseziwundaba mlonyeni.
iBloemfontein inemizi eyikhulu kangamakhulu amathathu engakashintshelwa izinombolo zezigubhu zogesi. Izakhamuzi zakule ndawo zithi azikwazanga ukuthobela umthetho we-Eskom ngenxa yokungabi nalo ulwazi olwanele. Gafushane uthi sikhathazeke kakhulu ngomnqamula juqu, yingakho kumele abakwa-Eskom beze kuzosifundisa ukuthi kwenziwa njani. Ala uthi ingaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezingama-50 imizi esalungise izigubhu zayo.
Well, the good news is that from a total of 58,851, we have a total of 55,064 that have basically done the recoding. So that puts them from KRN1 to KRN2, which is a serious number, exponentially so. So what we are actually looking at now in terms of the remaining, we're talking about 3,787. That puts you just above 6%.
Izakhamuzi ziyaqhubeka nokufuna usizo ukuze zigweme ukucinyelwa ugesi njengoba umnqamula juqu ususemome.
Undunankulu wezwe i-Israel uBenjamin Netanyahu seyiphendulele ngencwadi ekhishwe inkantolo yamazwe omhlaba egunyaza ukuthi aboshwe ngeinsolo zokuthi uqhuba izenzo zodlamile ukuhlukunyezwa kwabantu basePalestina ngempi eqhubekayo eGaza.
uNetanyahu uthi akumtatazelisi ukukhishwa kwencwadi ye-ICC yamasamanisi egunyaza ukuthi aboshwe ngempi eqhubeka kwelasePalestina. Usola behluleli benkantolo yamazwe ngamazwe ngokuthi bagubzelwe inzondo kanye nokwenzelela ngendlela enokucindezela ilakwa-Israyeli kulempi ebambene ePalestina.
The truth is simple. No war is more just than the war that Israel has been waging in Gaza after Hamas attacked us unprovoked, launching the worst massacre against the Jewish people since the Holocaust. The decision to issue an arrest warrant against me, the democratically elected Prime Minister of the State of Israel, and our former defense minister, was made by a rogue prosecutor who's trying to extricate himself from sexual harassment charges, and by biased judges who are motivated by anti-Semitic sentiments against the one and only Jewish state.
uNetanyahu uthi akusekho ukuhlehlela emuva manje. Uma kufanele bazivikele uma behlaselwa ngeke bazithambise.
No biased anti-Israel decision in The Hague will prevent the state of Israel from defending its citizens. Israel will not recognize the validity of this decision. We will continue to do everything we must do to defend our citizens and defend our state.
Le ncwadi egunyaza ukuboshwa kukandunankulu wakwa-Israyeli isho ukuthi uma kwenzeka uNetanyahu ehambela kwelinye lamazwe ayingxenye yohlaka lwezivumelwano sokubambisana nenkantolo yamazwe ngamazwe uyoboshwa ngaphandle kokunanaza. angaphezulu kwe-120 amazwe angaphansi kwalolu hlaka lwezivumelwano sembuso yohulumeni olwaziwa ngokuthi i-Rome Statute.
Okuphepha emgwaqeni kulamaholide asehlobo yenye yezinto uhulumeni wesifundazwe i-SNK azoyiqhakambisa ezikhulu zemigwaqo esifundazweni zethule ngokusemthethweni umkhankaso wezokuphepha emgwaqeni njengoba kunevimba mgwaqo phakathi kwaseQonce naseMonti. Kusenjalo umkhandlu iNelson Mandela Bay nenhlangano yezokuphepha nabo bebebamba umkhankaso wezivimba mgwaqo.
Amagosa onyanzeliso omthetho ebeqoqa imoto ngenzame zokuhlisa iqondo lolwaphulo omthetho ngexesha leziyunguma. Bebeqorasela iziyobisi negani ezingakho semthethweni. Lamagosa onyanzeliso omthetho ebefuna ingalo yomthetho ihlonitshwe ngabaqhubi bemoto. Inani labantu abafumene ingozi ngeli xesha kunyaka upheleyo luye lehla ku-21.5 wepesenti. Eliphulo luye lalabela nakwezinye iidolophu kwaliphondo leMpuma Koloni ngenzame zokubamba abaqhubi bemoto abaphula umthetho.
Siyamemelela kubasebenzi bendlela, abanikazi bemoto nabahamba ngenyawo kuthotyelwe imithetho yendlela. Siyazi ba ukhuseleko lixanduva lommi ngamnye aqinisekise uyakhuseleka.
Amagosa aza kuthi bhazalala kuloo mmandla waseNelson Mandela bejonga namaqela onqevu.
Yasesiqaliwe na uhlisa ubundlobongela apha nangoko abantu abaseva kakhulu ukubana kwadutyula abantu abanga badutyula abantu abantu indawo ngendawo kungenxa yemizamo namatiletile amapolisa.
Sizawungena nangaphakathi njengoba siyazi intoba kunema-shooting ezenzekayo kubulawa abantu. Sizawuthi make sure no-South African Police Services together with umasipala abaqhubi bemoto balamkele eliphulo.
Siyabulela ngobukho bani ezindleleni kuba lokhu nizothi make sure into yokuba sikhuselekile.
Umasipala ombhaxa iNelson Mandela ufake iikhamera ezi-112 kwindawo ezijamelene lwaphulo mthetho. Ndinguzolani Moya wendaba ze-SABC ndiseGqeberha.
Inkombi zabantu isaledengwane emva kwesiqhotho esihlasele izolo eMgungundlovu KwaZulu-Natal. Inkaba yedolobha kanye ney'ndawo ezisenyakatho isale ingenawo ugesi kwacelekela phansi imigwaqo kanye namabloho.
Izakhamizi eMgungundlovu zisola idolobha ngokungasebenzi kahle kwamapayipi ahambisa amanzi angcolile. NgoLwesine ebusuku imvula enamandla yadala izikhukhula edolobheni. Lokhu kuphoqe ukuthi amanye amabhizinisi aqale ngemuva kwesikhathi ukusebenza ngoba bekhuculula. eCopsville izakhamizi ziphoqeke ukuthi zibalekele amakhaya ngemuva kwemvula.
Kwenzeka izolo kuphephuke uthayela endlini la kade ngingaphakathi. Waphephuka ngala waze wazogibela phezulu kwale indlu.
Ezinye izindawo ezithintekile iSobantu kanye neNorthdale.
Imvula ivele yanetha ebusuku sasiqala sasilele. Yathi mayisilele ke avele laduma kwangena imvula odongweni nanti wind.
Ikhansela kuWard 28 kumasipala umsunduzi uRonisha Singh uthi ukungasebenzi kahle kwamapayipi ahambisa amanzi angcolile kwenze kwangena amanzi ezindaweni eziningi.
I have approached the municipality, I have approached the roads department, and I was told that they cannot dig trenches behind the properties for for liability against the municipality if somebody should fall in there.
Ize SABC izame izikhawu ukuthola ukuphawula kamasipala wasemsunduzi kodwa ayiphumelelanga. Londi Khatebe, SABC News, eMgungundlovu.
Hlahlo simo sezulu uyalandela emva kwekhefu. Siyabuya. mbukeli sibeka lapha besikuphathele zona. Kusasa bakhona ozakwethu ngolimi lwesiXhosa. Wena usale nayo.